Today, we will talk about AI affiliate mastery, automated income streams. Welcome to the world of AI affiliate mastery, where technology meets passive income generation. Are you looking for a way to earn money while you sleep, without having to worry about inventory or customer service? AI affiliate mastery may be the solution you've been searching for. This comprehensive exploration delves into the convergence of AI and affiliate marketing, unveiling the methods, strategies, and potential for cultivating automated income streams. As businesses increasingly embrace AI technologies, affiliate marketers are leveraging these advancements to revolutionize the landscape of online revenue generation. The synergy of AI and affiliate mastery. Affiliate mastery, a model where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services, has been a cornerstone of online commerce for years. The infusion of AI into this framework amplifies its efficacy by automating key processes. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets, optimize marketing strategies, and personalize content, enhancing the overall efficiency and effectiveness of affiliate campaigns. Understanding AI in affiliate mastery. AI in affiliate mastery encompasses a spectrum of technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Machine learning algorithms enable marketers to analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and optimize advertising strategies. Natural language processing facilitates the creation of compelling and personalized content, while predictive analytics helps in forecasting market trends and consumer preferences. Automated targeting and personalization. One of the hallmarks of AI affiliate mastery is the ability to automate target audience identification and personalize marketing campaigns. AI algorithms analyze user behavior, preferences, and demographics to create highly targeted and personalized content. This level of personalization not only enhances user engagement, but also increases the likelihood of conversions, laying the foundation for sustainable automated income streams. AI-driven content creation. Content remains a driving force in affiliate marketing, and AI has revolutionized content creation processes. Natural language processing algorithms can generate high-quality, contextually relevant content, including product descriptions, blog posts, and social media updates. AI-driven content creation not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and relevance across diverse marketing channels. Dynamic pricing optimization. AI's ability to analyze market dynamics and competitor pricing enables affiliate marketers to implement dynamic pricing strategies. Automated pricing optimization ensures that products or services promoted by affiliates remain competitive in real time, maximizing the potential for conversions. This dynamic approach to pricing contributes to the adaptability and responsiveness of AI affiliate mastery. Smart affiliate linking. AI algorithms play a pivotal role in optimizing affiliate linking strategies. These algorithms analyze user behavior, historical data, and market trends to dynamically generate affiliate links that are more likely to convert. This intelligent linking system ensures that affiliate marketers can capitalize on changing consumer preferences and trends, ultimately leading to increased revenue. Predictive analytics for campaign success. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, empowers affiliate marketers to forecast the success of their campaigns. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, marketers can make informed decisions about which products to promote, when to launch campaigns, and which channels to prioritize. This forward-looking approach enhances the overall effectiveness of affiliate marketing initiatives. Affiliate program management with AI. AI affiliate mastery extends beyond campaign optimization to encompass the management of affiliate programs. AI-driven systems can automate tasks such as affiliate onboarding, commission tracking, and performance analysis. This automation streamlines program management, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creativity while AI handles the operational aspects. Ethical considerations in AI affiliate marketing. As AI plays an increasingly prominent role in affiliate marketing, ethical considerations become paramount. Marketers must navigate issues related to data privacy, transparency, and algorithmic biases. Responsible AI affiliate mastery involves implementing ethical guidelines, ensuring transparent communication with users, and regularly auditing AI systems for fairness and accountability. Success stories in AI affiliate mastery. Examining real-world success stories provides valuable insights into the potential of AI affiliate mastery. From affiliate marketers who have harnessed AI to exponentially increase their income to businesses that have successfully integrated AI into their affiliate programs, these stories showcase the diverse paths individuals and organizations have taken to thrive in the evolving landscape of AI-powered affiliate marketing. The future of AI affiliate mastery. The future of AI affiliate mastery holds exciting prospects as AI technologies continue to advance. Innovations such as augmented reality integrations, voice-activated search optimization, and the integration of AI into emerging marketing channels may reshape the landscape further. As the digital ecosystem evolves, AI affiliate mastery remains at the forefront of harnessing technological advancements for sustained and automated income generation. AI affiliate mastery represents a paradigm shift in the world of affiliate marketing. The fusion of artificial intelligence with traditional affiliate strategies introduces unprecedented automation, efficiency, and personalization into the affiliate marketing landscape. As businesses and marketers increasingly embrace AI technologies, the potential for cultivating automated income streams becomes not just a possibility, but a strategic imperative. Navigating the ethical considerations, staying abreast of technological advancements, and learning from success stories will empower affiliate marketers to master the art of AI affiliate mastery and unlock the full potential of automated income generation in the digital age. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.